In this tutorial we learn how to download, install and start the FreeCAD software. To install FreeCAD, please visit the page www.freecad.org. On this page you can find a lot of information about FreeCAD. Before you download FreeCAD, please select your operating system language. After selecting your operating system language, please go to the download page, and now you can select your operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux. Note that all downloads are for 64-bit systems. Please check also your operating system version. The current stable FreeCAD download version is 1.0.0. Click the download icon and FreeCAD software gets downloaded to your computer. Once the FreeCAD gets downloaded, click the Setup file to install the FreeCAD. Now follow the instruction to install the software, agreement, folder, etc. to your computer. I installed already FreeCAD and I will stop here. Please continue the installation till the end. Once the installation done, please run FreeCAD. When you start FreeCAD for the first time, you will see this FreeCAD Start window. Please visit the next video to learn about the basic settings of FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you for watching.